सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अगर आप इस रीडिंग तक आए हो तो डेफिनेटली यू आर मेंट टू लिसन सम ऑफ द मैसेजेस, वरना आप इस रीडिंग तक डेफिनेटली नहीं आते। सो यस, वी आर गोना चेक कि आपके अराउंड आपके बारे में गॉसिप्स क्या चल रही हैं। ठीक है, व्हाट पीपल आर लाइक गॉसिपिंग अबाउट यू। ठीक है, तो ये रीडिंग जनरल होगी, लेना उतना ही जितना रेजोनेट करे। ठीक है, अगेन if you reach this reading, then definitely someone is like gossiping about you. Someone is like talking about you. So let us see what are the gossips, what are the current gossips. So card number one, which is Sun. First card is the Sun card. Second card is the Seven of Pentacles. सो इट सीम्स लाइक पीपल अराउंड यू डोंट वांट यू टू नो कि आपके बारे में गॉसिप्स हो रही है या लोग आपको डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. दैट इज लाइक कमिंग रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग. आई विल टेक आउट द नेक्स्ट कार्ड. लाइक दो कार्ड्स अपने आप आए, द टावर एंड द एस ऑफ कप्स कार्ड, which is like actually beautiful. So yeah, I see gossips about your relationship status as well. So I took out few more cards, or end of the deck is like Ace of Wands. So the few more cards which came out are Justice, Hermit, and Four of Cups. So we'll start with your reading, and मैं आपको थोड़ा डिटेल में बताऊंगी कि like what is exactly going on here. So yes, गिव मी अ सेकेंड. सो सेवन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स के कार्ड से मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है दैट पीपल आर गॉसिपिंग अबाउट योर स्टेटस. दे आर गॉसिप्स कि you are preparing secretly for your career and you are actually serious for your career and you don't want people to know. You are making your efforts. You're not getting the desired success which you want to get. Like the gossips are such that people are gossiping that you want success and you're not getting the desired success which you want. So you are actually being secretive about your personal life, and you are doing some career oriented, you are a career oriented person, and you are doing some hard work which you are hiding from the people out there. So there are gossips about this also. You are not able to get the desired success, as in that your goals are higher and the success you are achieving is not up to the mark. So that is like coming. Also, a tower movement clearly shows something happened in your life. So people around you suspect that something wrong is happening in your life. Like something could be related to relationship or could be related to your personal life, which could have gone wrong. So there are gossips. Maybe you would have told people, maybe you won't have told people, however the case may be, but people are gossiping actually about this, that there has been this tower moment in your life which was actually a life changing moment, and which actually changed you or turned you as a person. So the person you were in the past are not the same person. Like the person, the personality you carried in the past, you have drastically changed as a person. So your perspectives have changed, your way of living life has changed, and you have drastically changed as a person. So there has been some tower moment in your life. The gossips are about this, that the tower movement like actually transformed you into a better person. So which was actually tough for you and you were not willing to change your ways, but actually there something happened in your life which like forced you to change your personality and change you as a person, which helped you to gain a lot of clarity and popularity. So this not only this tower moment not only transform. See, Queen of Wands card clearly shows that you getting appreciated. You getting like, could be there could be a possibility in the past that people won't be that fond of you, or you won't be having a big friend circle, but you transform as a person and m- mend your you started to mend your ways, and it was like you changed, completely transformed as a person, so which actually caused you to make a lot of friends. You changed your personality, you groomed yourself, and you're not the same person who was in the past. So that is like clearly evident, and that is what people are actually surprised, because this change in your life was completely unexpected by the people around you. They weren't expecting you to change this way, in a positive way. So certain things could be, certain factors could be like favored by the universe as well. The justice card clearly shows that the justice has been served by the universe. If you were doing ethically things, you were doing ethically right, and then also you weren't getting that much reward, so universe did justice to your hard work as well. But the level of success you actually wanted to be, the level you wanted to be at the peak of the mountain, but you are still halfway and you want to reach that peak, so that is like coming across. You actually want to achieve heights and that people are like gossiping about, so they are having this problem, why this person wants to take success, why isn't this person satisfied with what this person is having. Actually whatever you are having, people around you feel that you should be actually be satisfied with whatever you are having, and you should actually not like get more behind career on, like going more behind your growth, uh, looking more after your growth. So like that seems to be the case in your scenario. So there's some problem with my air conditioner. I don't know what's the problem. I think I pressed some button or something is there. So something sounds to be fishy, and like people around you are really jealous, I would say, rather, because इसी टाइम पे एसी खराब हो गया यार, चल नहीं रहा है, पता नहीं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द इशू. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले चल रहा था, नाउ इट्स नॉट लाइक वर्किंग. आई डोंट नो. सो क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई, तुम्हारी रीडिंग में ही चलना बंद हो गया ये, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले चल रहा था. So yes, this could be something really relevant, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि people are not happy with your success and people are actually jealous of your success, that is like coming. And also you are not that kind of, there are gossips about you that you are not that kind of person who is like more into politics, more into getting involved with people. You are more focused on other parts of your life, like it could be related to family, it could be related to career. You are not more focused on politics, you believe in living your own life. Like you would be a person keeping knowledge about all the aspects of your life, like what is going on in your friend circle, what is going around in your class, or what is going around in your workplace. You're keeping all the checks, you know each and everything. But again, you are not that person who would like get involved in any sort of like politics. You keep yourself like withdrawn from politics, you don't want to be a part of any of the politics, neither you entertain a lot of people. That is also like coming through, like you are focused and dedicated towards your own life. What you are, you people see you as a mature person, understanding person. They think that the advice given by you would be actually be something worth, so people actually trust your advice, like that is coming across. Also also that is coming, that universe is like you are heavily protected by the universe, that the universe is like throwing its grace on you, because I definitely see this, that the things which you think are not actually working in your favor can actually work in your favor in the upcoming future. So like that is coming across. Also you need to just have that faith. But the justice card is shown, you might get the justice in the whole situation, but the justice which is like being served in the situation would be served late, but the justice would definitely be served in the situation. So you need to have that faith, that is also coming across. Also people around you think about you this way, that you are like doing the hard work, you might not be getting the required result, but in the upcoming future you will definitely get some result. So like that is coming across. So yeah, I can see this. Like people feel that you will get rewarded for the hard work you are doing, because you are actually a dedicated person, and you be happy in your own life. You are like least bothered like what is going around in people's life. You keep checks like what is exactly going around, what is like you keep updates, that is like coming. But again, you don't get more involved, you don't want to be part of politics, you don't want to, you are more in your career, more in your life, more about you, your family, your happiness. You're concerned more about yourself. So that is like coming across. This is the gossip, and like people are trying to find more about you, but people think that you are somewhat an introvert person who is like not actually ready to open up. So that is like coming. So I can see this in your reading. So this is for your reading. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such readings. And for the personalized reading, you can DM me on Instagram, predictions by Sia, or on the number given in the description of this video, or you might check out the number in some of the videos you might find in the description box of my like channel. You'll find it, so you can contact on that number for the personalized reading. Also, I would like to say, if you want to join the membership of Predictions by Sia, you can definitely join the membership of Predictions by Sia, because a lot of people, like your competition, like the people who are watching reading, actually get to like 20 or 30% or sometimes 50% as well. But like there is a guarantee, or I can say that there is a bright possibility that you can get the exact messages out there in the membership of Predictions by Sia. So you can take the membership of Predictions by Sia as well. So thank you for watching.